AI is moving from becoming a focus hero trend to a foundational trend. This year, we have recently launched our Tech Trends Report 2025. As we were looking at the different topics, we came to a realization that AI is actually impacting all the technical trends. So what we are seeing here is that AI is moving from becoming a focus hero trend to a foundational trend. And in terms of the 6 broad trends that we are seeing that's impacting the business and the industry, the first one in the user interaction space that we are seeing is around spatial computing. And the biggest change that we are seeing here is how the physical and the digital world are merging together. So that's the macro trend, how we are creating digital twin of physical spaces, and that is actually driving very, very interesting use cases. The next trend is about what's new in AI. We know that AI is impacting everything from big hero workloads like the GPTs of the world. What we are seeing is really specialized, smaller AIs, which are much more context specific. So we are seeing a movement around small language models, around agentic, around multimodal AI, and that's really making a humongous difference to the businesses. The next trend is very interesting. We all heard maybe from Mark Andreessen, who's the co-founder of Netscape, around 15 years back, that software is eating the world. What we are seeing interestingly is that hardware is making a strategic comeback. As we are going into high-end AI models which requires GPUs and NPUs, investors, governments, companies, they're saying that can we run those strategic, highly specialized and competitive models on premise? So certainly hardware is making a strategic comeback. Some of the foundational areas where we are seeing a massive uptick of AI is actually the IT department themselves. They have been playing with GenAI for some time, so they're very, very confident. So now they're using GenAI and agentic to actually improve their own effectiveness in software development, in software testing, in IT ops, in training and all those. The next trend is around cybersecurity. And the biggest word is quantum. And we are even using a term called Y2Q, year to quantum. Can we get ready for quantum? Can we, because once quantum comes, all today's security, cryptography will be almost kind of cracked immediately. So how businesses can get ready about an impending quantum computer that will actually change the game. And the last thing is very, very important. All the core systems like the ERPs, the core banking and others, they are going through a change, and core modernization take time. What we are seeing is really usage of low code, no code, a lot of agentic that is really making the legacy modernization really fast. So it's actually unlocking bandwidth so that we can drive all the innovations. Really at the end of the day, how we can combine all these trends together, and actually that drives the magic. To know more about this report, please download the report in the link below.